Hey guys, what's good guys? I'm Firemelon GT. Oh wait, I'm not GT anymore. I'm Firemelon YT. Funny game. It's called Lab Monkey. I think. Wait, what was it called again? Yeah, it's called Lab Monkey, and I tried to play it with my friend Sam Cam, but that didn't work really well because it wouldn't work for him, and then it stopped working for me. Then it had an update fixing it, I think. And I'm just not gonna do the video with Fire Shark or whatever. But let's just get in the game, whatever. It's not untightening. What? Why am I hologram? Loading fear. Where am I? Where am I? Oh, what? I thought I just spawned in like prison or something. Oh yeah, they got the camera mod or whatever. I could literally have a camera mod. You know what Gorilla Tag needs? They need to have a YouTuber update, so there's like a free camera mod you could get. I should know, like a free. Let's go into public lobby. Oh yeah, let's go check out the shop. I already did it, but why not do it again? School! They got the school. Got the school update. They got the hospital update.
Somebody teach me how to see how much money do you got.
Shut up! Mods are for losers. Like, honestly, dude. Like, alright, let's go in. Let's go in the back rooms. Let's go in the back rooms, alright? Yo, oh, I'm in. What the hell? Okay. Oh shit, what is that? What is that? No, what is that, bro? What is that? Oh, hell no. Oh hell no, this guy chasing me, bro. This guy chasing me. And I go, oh my god. Wait, what even is that? Oh, wait. Ah! Help me. What the? Ah, he's chasing me again. Ah. There's two of them. Wait, how do we beat this? Wait, okay, I see. Wait, just get up here. Like, should we just don't look at it? Oh, watch out, he's right there. Who is this guy think he is? Couple more seconds left. There's a couple more seconds. Who is this guy think he is, bro? He's not him. 2 seconds, 1 second. I did it, let's go! Yo, I'm crazy, bro. Oh, I did it. I think I did it. Hold up, I'm like, hey, what? Yo, I'm in a hospital, yo, are you good? Bro, it's not good. Hold on.
When you go that way, run.
What is that? What is that? Nah, who do you think you are, bro? No. What the? I'm like through the wall. Nah, who is this guy think he is? Oh my gosh. It's actually crazy. Oh shoot! Oh, it's tied. Okay, I'm good.
Green, stay over here. Go.
Jump! Go, run! He's after me! Ah! He's back after me!
Stay over here.
Where do I go? Do I keep going up? I don't know.
Oh wow.
There's nothing up here! What is this? Wait, get? Do I get like a toilet? Oh my god! Oh my gosh! Dude, this guy's terrifying! Can you? Someone help me! Is there a big booty barbarian? Wait, there's another area? I didn't even know that.
Yeah, what was that?
I wouldn't have needed your help.
Come on, wake up.
Alright, no, I'm not. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Get me out. Let's go. Okay. Beat the game. Let's go. School. Oh, yeah, dude. It's the school. This is why I don't like school, guys. Dude, this girl's like a Karen.
Oh my god, that's a great way to
Karen, look at it. No, 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 no. Ah! Okay. Yeah! Go away! I don't like you! I never had a crush on you. Upstairs. Nah, this woman is targeting me! Dude, there's another basement. Yo! Got one. Alright, another one. That's 2. Here. Ugly hell! Oh, my game lagged out, bro. Dude, why does she look like the average anime girl in school?
This is the first error
Dude, guys, actually stop doing that.
How'd you get your
Only green person. Dude, I accidentally adjusted my headset lens.
What is this?
1 out of 10 would never date. Yo, come on, let's go. Did it, I did it. Oh my gosh. I did it. Level. No, there isn't.